In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a Temu invitation on your computer. So first thing you need to do is, of course, you have to follow the instruction provided, which could be an email, text message, or an invitation itself. So basically, you have to first receive the invitation. So you likely receive an invitation through email, text message, or as a link within the Temu app. Then, the invitation will usually guide you on how to accept. This might involve clicking a link, or entering the code, or joining the group. So once you follow the instructions, confirm your acceptance. This might involve clicking accept, join, or a similar button. If it's new invitation, you might need to complete the registration process, which could include creating an account or signing in with an existing account. So for example, if someone invited you to their Temu family, you might receive an email with a link. Clicking the link would take you to a page where you can confirm joining their family according to Google support. And that's it. That's how you accept Temu invitations using your computer.